So I'm gonna make shrimps and prime rib for my cooking rib veg dinner. So we're first gonna start out with the prime rib because it takes longer. So right now I'm going to oil the pan for the prime rib so it doesn't stick to the pan. And we're going to season the prime rib once it's on the pan. So right now I'm going to season the prime rib with salt and pepper on both sides. So right now I am pan searing the prime rib so it'll lock in the juices and lock in the flavor for a good prime rib. So right now after I just preheated the oven to 450 degrees, and so when it fully heats up, I'm gonna put this prime rib in for 8 to 9 minutes. So right now I am sauteing the shrimp. So sauteing the shrimp means right now that I'm adding a lot of butter, a lot of really good ingredients to enrich the flavor in the food. So right now we sauteed all of the ingredients that we needed, and now we're putting in the shrimp. So after we put the shrimp in, we're gonna add a lot of salt and pepper. So right now I am just making sure that all the shrimp has contact to the pan so it can actually cook. And then once I've done that, I'm just gonna add a lot of salt and pepper. So I pulled the prime rib out of the oven, and we're just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. So right now I was just adding some white wine to the shrimp, and I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we know how to see when the shrimp is cooked. We cannot see any gray parts, like frozen parts of the shrimp. It has to all be pink and white. Everything's ready, so we have prime rib and shrimp.